CEO Edema Nations FC. Yera Kennedy Boakye Ansah AD Enkomo ene anopei. Ken Otimenka. Good morning.
You are something. It's in Bacho Martin.
Ken Pacho Martin.
Yeah, I made the official council.
I've been coming to officer Brina Nations FC. Nebi Bia Yena Yaji League. Amen. Me too can but men then.
I was a week out and you took quite big into pressure.
I understand.
And I'm more time in the
okay.
Now,
Kwesiha.
Because you official part. But you know, so beneficial part. I'm more familiar with what on the
I feel I do a video to Nhyira 4.5 year Kennedy Boakye Ansah on a CEO Edema Nations FC. And I no pay you no and I no edi eye enkomo. Ken minim say ye bedi Nations enkomo no, but first of all, yen league is say yabo aye week 22. I think sorry, week 20. Sorry. That is week 20. Edna yabo na anope na me share league table no, and it seems like points never boso and utie nipa ni be before so I feel league, you know. So after week 20 now, it means that your league now been very, very competitive. Because league are hereby from the order relegation, Akopim even 16 honey at the crown, we draw and now Ulusuma Jana we question the airport utmi overtakino, Epia we question Ayamreno. I know just saying league no have been very, very competitive. It also feels that there be in your sanity and league no, a from the war, 18 points no, and so bobo so no. CEO Edema Nations FC, and of course, when you say your local football is where the actually pa. So far, after week 20, no, your league no because you
Richardo, I'm Sanchez for you. League no, I'll say my share Ghana football since 1988. Let me crack it or Bonsi. Michelle League no. Mekai the days of Osado Sampaio, Aldo Kochi, Obato Gofield, Mekai the days of Coach David Booth and the late Seattle Crayfield. Now I'm looking at Gold Shows. Mekai the days of Odamian Puma, Jonas Akoli, Simonado, Nimam Boakye, me other players, I'll call that team Toko, the legend Kusiapia, and then I'm player coach Pamanso. Antonio Shekweju, name them. Oko have the folks who are Bernard White in the other place. No, Oko Olympics, Amwatevia, a very tough defender. But you see that changing times. Same time, the Papa Motan, no more try about to Pio. Now, you know, I'm also a question guarantee near the other. They say it's where you prepare a Paboa and no the times of years no. And no ends. This season, I'll say the league has been extremely competitive. Now, core league matches in the next summer for last weekend, there was Summer Boy. A very highly competitive game. And I really sense that I game, you know, I will TV so. Boshe Nations and Straight Draw Blacks are about 1-1. A very highly top level game. What the game in Crown Manchester highlights. I will ask him against Baseke Holy Stars. Look at the quality of goals that Kotoko share. And Nhyira, you know, member of the Abano Sabaso for the financial intervention before the start of the season. That's the 1 million Ghana cedis now. You know. I mean, it will be any abre. To say the OG League now, what's another 2 million Ghana cedis. And that's huge money. So we'll spend it in year between the year associate for next season. And Tina Amalek in my competitive channel. If I wouldn't agree to the school of thought that you're legging off from legging was so far.
Now to the team OSCU, which is Air Nations FC. Yes, and him say team no by and share dan che bia de but kakra ma kire we league no am obi ehun say mo ye forced to reckon with because the last 2 seasons there Muba very close and come with me at the Ghana Premier League 1 or 2 even a buyer and me more Angie League no but sir oh share and no now the abeshe this season I'm so story no saka crack because this season as I say na me sign ahwe a league a table no and no share nations just a call a 4th position with a 24 points see you a ban sign a team at a point na mutimi G League money ye na fe de this season I say result no aye wishy mo hye ade eche ni ahyemo mo be draw ni ahyemo sa mo be wini ba ko bi what is going on, what is the problem?
Well, I wouldn't say it's a problem, but your current team is a team in transition. Was already the players are using last season almost already 60-70% and then cut team no. And then we also decided say we'll bring in much on that players. We said over the investment that Kwame Chei, Ghana football move from Kotoko to Nations FC. Over investment many and then president of Nations FC Divine Chimbodu and then Nhyira to Port for Ghana football move. We should find a way to also recoup part of the investment. It's not just about aiming to win the league, but there's at a point so also to me Toby. Na ultimately as kind of basic team and the focus changed from say the befa and penifon kwa and we also decided that and we also bring in some real players again you start to like you say na you think direction so no na Ansah we don't know perform kakra so we brought in coach performance so and our test the fact that in as much as say the kind of results are cool performance that was super. The only thing left is coaches was better to say normal BA, and I believe say some money in ecosystem. I want for better nations and I can't afford to match this ball. Anything can happen. Until the better say any hopeless situation because we hear younger boys now bit brand out now on more this level of Ghana football before or had or more this level of Ghana football before. You're right by Makulias or more this level of Ghana football before. It's a moment I bet take your time and Sana or bet me get into the group of the Ghana Premier League. And it's the performance now inconsistent.
Inside get here for Safi now do a video no atoha. In Shawanzo 4.5 year name CEO the Nations FC. Nhyira Kennedy Ansah and AD and come Ken Boame. Say be amena man tini ye dia. Baby me tisa na can say oh now the focus and now my target no as a sakaka because previously no nanka mu empa ne say mo beji the Ghana Premier League but as time goes on no I'm saying niam as a sakaka to the extent some person mo investment into players and yen to be next can ever bano yen for more 18 no branya sa
it's a pepe fize sebio datachi the sika statement by sometimes the bomb match we na me sika on spend there I'm just say you offer sika crowd on everyone be able to have and he's so passionate about Ghana football. He believes that and also the contribution to the youth of Ghana is through football. But I also believe that I say yes to me say football near the and not say you focus on just your unique games required. So focus on say it me and my boys in so opportunity. I'm also going to Kwankwa Boakye. I'm going to Kwankwa Boakye. I can't team in the bottom. I'm also not better kakra da so bottom at the Kobo Mobisia. I think na focus on Ansah kakra. But I'm understanding. We heard the boys on more than so. So far, I say we got an invitation from the futsal team. There's the futsal national team. Ifa, John Ifa. He's a new player. Your friend on the futsal national team. Other players so national team coaches also and be say about their ages near that. So that should tell you that something right is being done. Just that the league results and are inconsistent.
I see. And he said, me a nation services support and I meet Kennedy Boakye Ansah or MEC wa No, say me lower my expectations kakra for now because now the focus to win the Ghana Premier League, you know, in Shedden ni hosa, but manage it in kakra na intimate to
I'm not saying say focus in the Ghana Premier League so. The thing is that
but can say all players now don't be there. Heading team na hold in the back from kakra. Means what to
oh, sir, in can form of castle, I'm say Mukaba. O Kofa, Obi Frima, I say Odidia Obano, and see either the same level as I say
equally
or higher higher than the all. You know, but like I said, they shouldn't lower the expectations because your main target class for this season is to make Africa. And Africa, oh yeah, your Africa, we get to know it. And Nyamia no suslan your FA Cup. And Momo lower expectations. Expectations in the Amuluwa, they are for team. See, it's Monday League in Ghana. We can aim for the MTN FA Cup. So it's a my draw no. Your next draw blast and a ball on the round of 16.
Okay, Matthias from that point part. Now some comment tell you already so supporters are Omo enko stadium. First of all, me sound South Africa the Omo fans number.
Oh, this is a South Africa, I must admit. Well, last is the numbers now. Apart from a club, but we should understand saying the Ghana Premier League is competing with the most of the European leagues. And at a time in our matches, and the European leagues, matches may be a classic. Meaning that they affecting attendance at most venues. But Mr. There was some of them as good game. No, we got a number of more stadium. It was good. Last Sunday, of course, the numbers were quite good. The numbers were quite good. Advantage consistently. Your bare 2,000 supporters are almost every game number. And also advantage, a peculiar situation because of roads now. And the best Abraham for Secretary General Minister and the Abraham Penny for a quite no among boy. He said investment see the play up Aquana every already your Richard Ansah or free the area how bonation says. And he is there about the fire insurance and so say Samaya among why no near quite because in Futura and walk quite so Richard Oba I appeal to you sir.
I know correct.
You also count number your attendance number from.
Okay. Ken, coming more cordial, but sometimes I hate there be a problem because, of course, me no problems, you know. The nyafini saying I become problems to them. Who is a solution saying and now you saying and then supporters and back to the stadium so in games and anything.
Well, solution we need to appeal to the communities, and I think it's not just meetings. Say strategies are a bit me entirely supporters and more bastards. I never acquire your youth team. I from young nations. Almost every game they are about 30 to 40 young boys between the ages of 8 to about 12. Almost every game they are around about. Another strategy is influence schools now. To say nursing school now, the second cycle institutions, the active private secondary school, and other schools now. Yeah, Mama, every game at no cost to them. And you better say, you better the case in FM. Now, I couldn't have the mind. You appeal to in Kronkra, area or Jati Pranto, Putoja, Kuntunanse. Kokofunin Kunkuro in Swedro, Abrakasi, and Kunkuro in the they should own the team. They should see themselves as part of the team, not say, being a team about. And the supporters leader is honorable. Or you are any best, other guys, or more Jumapai, that's a form, or more Jumapai, because every game be out of. I'm also trying to mobilize supporters. I'm about stadium. And I can't. Ejuma yenyano sheke who near.
Can now okay when you say me adoma Friday mobile against informed mediama. I wanted to say na yemfa community.
I one day you go so as we speak team training. We training until Thursday now. The game is successful on Friday. We know some by a very good team. We are from this season and almost secure a more team makes them a difficult team to beat. But you ensure more. On the meeting account war. If you do here to say you ensure me the ever. Yakoni Eko. We emphasize Asantimai and any medium Eko. If you say, so I was not a Kuya or Betiasi later. Offer military Betiasi. And the emphasize Asantimani Bomati. Kumatiponi na Sombra. Remember, Nation FC. Intimation media.
Ken, all the best.
That's not really my main matter to
no problem.
All about game the piano, so no. You have beautiful replica jason, so 250 CD space. Until I will say, or bar.
On fantasy camera.
On fantasy camera.
Okay.
I mean, what to be a channel, but I know on fantasy camera.
Sika no more money to you.
I don't know. I heard you sneakers nice. And the replica jason also. Maybe Dr. Family Sports Complex. And I use all your social stations in our now. We quite the replica just to be at all. 250 cities pay.
Okay. Ken, that's it for an open time on the Amai. I'm ciao. See you at the Nations FC Kennedy Boakye Ansah and at the Nkomo Bibri.